Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs have created this quick video tutorial to address commonly asked questions. Following the tutorial, we encourage you to explore our professional learning catalog by scanning the QR code at the bottom of the screen. Let's get started.
First, you will go to Students and Student IEPs on your navigation bar. Note that each student record has a blue dot or a green dot. This dot refers to the eligibility of the student. Blue means eligible, and green means pending. Open the student record. Scroll down, and on the right you will see the eligibility box. Click the pencil icon. Navigate to the Change Eligibility status drop-down menu. There are three choices: eligible providing services, D&Q or not providing services, and pending eligibility. Take the time to review each option, then select the appropriate eligibility.
Thank you for learning with us. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for everything you do to improve the outcomes of students with disabilities.